So if we go into Teams, I'm going to zoom in a little bit with that control and scroll wheel that we talked about last time. So let's say that Patty sent me this message and I have this Word document, and now I'm going to need to review this and write something up and do something else with it. But I don't have time to do it right this second, so I don't want to forget. I can use this little ... here when I hover over that message, and I can create a planner task. And so what this is going to let me do is create a task, which it's going to try to name for me, update and add more information. And maybe it's due tomorrow. And I can create this in my private tasks or in one of my recent planner boards. So if you're using, everyone will have a private tasks, but if you're using Planner in your company, you'll have some other options here as well. So when I add that, I can add some more notes if I want, hit add task. And now that Teams message will not be lost. All right, so moving on, we have here all these chats, and I can click on each one and I can, look through it. But sometimes I kind of want like one of these, let's say group chats front and center. So that quick tech questions chat I mentioned, Danica and Liz, they're pretty much always watching that chat. So they always want it up on their screen. So if I want this to be up, but I'm also doing other things here in Teams, I can use this little ... on this message thread. And I can say open in a new window. And what that did here is this gave me a second Teams window. So on the left, I have my first Teams window, and here I have my other chat. So now I can have whatever conversations I need while keeping this open. I'm actually doing this right now in our Teams meeting to have a little group chat with Kathy and the other presenters on here. So in case my audio goes out or whatever, I can have that up on one screen, but still have the conversation here.